Hi everyone, this is week 5. This week we'll be exploring the relationships between percent, tax, and discount, which is chapters 6.1 to 6.3, plus writing and solving proportions, chapters 5.6 and 6.5. Please review the specific week 5 learning outcomes as well as the sample schedule, which I've placed on this overview page. You'll be reading our online OpenStax textbook and, as always, taking notes, watching the instructional videos, and completing the homework assignments for chapters 6.1 through 6.5 and chapters 5.6. Please note, however, that chapter 6.4 on simple interest is optional. Next, towards the bottom of the week's module, you'll be completing 2 lab assignments, as always. Do not forget to attend 2 lab support sessions on Zoom with Naraya and Erica each week to assist you with the labs. We also have a week 5 quiz and a check-in survey to submit. I want to remind you once again, please make sure you're checking your Canvas announcements and your emails every single day. Do not hesitate to reach out to me for assistance. Have a terrific week.